How to change Yahoo homepage back to classic view. In this video, I'll show you how to change Yahoo homepage back to classic view. So to get started, go ahead and open Yahoo Mail into your browser and then sign in into your Yahoo account. And then click on the settings button at the top right of your screen. And then click on more settings from here. Now in here, head over into the left side of your screen and then click on switch to basic mail to switch your Yahoo homepage to classic view, and then confirm switching this, and this will take you into the classic view version of Yahoo Mail. So this is how the Yahoo Mail classic view looks like. So that is how you can basically change Yahoo homepage back to classic view.